Welcome everyone. It's great pleasure to announce an amazing new challenge. This is bootcamp plus actual challenge that you do. You come for a full day bootcamp on 28th of June, that is this coming month end, in a location with you are going to go through lot of learnings, lot of hands-on, and giving you all the requirements and the knowledge to start building your application is agent AI agent application. So in 3 days, on Friday 9 o'clock, the checkpoint is going to get open. You will think about ideas. There are going to be some preparatory videos. The day, if you register today, you have some time to prepare yourself to register for these particular thing. You'll start learning and take it further. So this is something that is amazing. On Saturday morning, all of us, you will be joining together. The session is going to start at 10 o'clock. I will be there early. If you have any questions, come early, come chat with me, have a discussion, and we'll be having this whole day session there in this particular space. And then you will have Sunday, go back and start doing things by yourself and submitting it here. This is an individual challenge, but you may always take help from others and always get it going. If you are new to coding, also there are a lot of no code, low code tools that you can start using and start building your stuffs that are there. So I request you to participate in this amazing challenge. There is a cost because we are doing the full day boot camp, and with mentorship along with me, there is going to be few other trainers and mentors who are going to be there to help you and guide you and give you an amazing opportunity of networking, learning together, boot camps, a full day of amazing knowledge session that is there. We are going to also have some food and beverages arranged for all the participants to refuel them, to get them going and take it further. So this is something that is very, very different. In just 3 days, start learning about this. And to spice it up, we are not having any sponsors, so Decoding Data Science Academy is the sponsor. So the people who are attending this and the people who participate in this, we will be giving some prizes that are there. And this is something that I am also having talks with, and I'll be going to talk more about this as well. And that's it. And there are going to be a judging panel to make sure the results are going to be there. So we're not going to be announcing on the same day. As I told you, Sunday 11:45 p.m. is a submission where you have to submit your GitHub and you have to submit your what demo that you have done. In the future coming weeks, we will have an online session where we will request all the participants to come and give the demo in front of the few judges, and then we will take it forward. So this is amazing challenge. Participate in this and take it forward.